Warning: this video contains controversial facts. Proceed at your own risk. Today we will be reviewing the Sony PS-LX310BT record player. Use the Bluetooth pairing button on the Sony PS-LX310BT record player to find your wireless speakers, sound bar, or headphones, and listen to your favorite records. The Sony PS-LX310BT record player comes with one-step auto playback for simple control. It delivers a rich, clear sound, and punchy bass tones. The thick dust cover that comes with the Sony PS-LX310BT record player muffles pressure from your speakers. It also supports phono and line output, thanks to built-in phono preamp. This Sony PS-LX310BT record player has 2 speeds, 33 revolutions per minute, and 45 revolutions per minute. You can also switch between 3 gain modes: low, mid and high. The thicker dust cover muffles acoustic pressure from your speakers for better stability and less distortion. This Sony PS-LX310BT record player has got some good Amazon customer reviews. Go check it out. For more information on the Sony PS-LX310BT record player, click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching my review on the Sony PS-LX310BT record player.